Hi there, I'm Joseph Kern, instructional designer here at Emporia State University. This is a video on making an introduction video for you and your course. This is option 2, using an iPad or other digital camera, posting it to YouTube, and putting the YouTube video on your Blackboard course. Overall, what we're covering in this, I'm going to talk about option 1, Panopto, a little bit. We're going to look at making a YouTube account, making the video itself, posting it online, and then putting it through Blackboard. Panopto is a program that wherever you found the link for this, there is a pair of links for Panopto. There's a short version and a long version. But with Panopto, you are able to use PowerPoint and embed PowerPoint in your video. So if you want to use PowerPoint, it's really good for lectures and just content like that. That's the videos you might want to watch, because you're able to do a lot of stuff with that later. Just here you can see an example of it running. But one thing that students can do is actually take notes, and the notes that they save in their account are embedded in the video timeline, and so that makes it a nice little feature that you can't have with YouTube. But if all it is just a video of you talking or a video of you doing something and you don't need those extra features, then this is probably the tutorial you want to watch. Now, the first step when you want to actually make your video is you're going to start off with an account. If you go to youtube.com, up here on the right side we'll say sign in, and you may already have a Google account or a Gmail account, and so if you do, you can use that as your YouTube. They are owned by the same place, so that will work. If you don't already have an account, you can make one just by saying create account, and then you just fill your information in. This will give you a Gmail account, so if you want to use Gmail or other Google services, this is the same account. So it's one-stop shopping for you. Now, once you make your YouTube account, the first page might look something like this, and what you're looking for eventually will be able to upload your files. But for now, let's make a video to upload. So first, some video tips for you. Number 1, relax. This video is supposed to be a nice introduction for you, and so if you want to be the nice, enjoyable person that we all know you are, you want to keep it brief in this first video. It's not a video to go over your whole syllabus, although if you want to do one of those later, that's a good idea. And you want to sell the course. So this is where you tell them the cool stuff that you're going to be using to help motivate them for the entire course. That's a lot of why we do this video. And you can give them some ideas of some keys that they can think about to be successful in the class, so get them started on the right foot. As far as making the videos go, I'm going to show you how to make a video with your iPad and post it. Then I'm going to show you how to take a video you already have from your digital camera. I'm assuming you know how to take it from the camera to the computer, so how to upload that to your YouTube page also. And then last, again, putting them on Blackboard. It ends up being really simple to make and post a video from your iPad. First off, just find your camera, hit that, and really once you have your idea down, just hit the little red dot to start it and then hit it to stop. And so that makes your video. Once you have that, ones that you've just made will live down here, and so you can just click on that button down there, and that will bring you to being able to analyze the video. This is a lovely video I made about my desk. And this button up here, you just hit that and that's to share. And so with YouTube, we select that one, and here's where you already made your account, so you can put your account information in. And then with your account information in, you can just start describing the video. So give it a title, give it a description. The tags. Tags are, if you want somebody to be able to search for your video, what would they search? So a really good idea would just be your name, or if this is for that course, make the tag PY179 or whatever your course number is. Down lower, you can choose who's able to watch your video. If it's public, anybody with YouTube can get to it. If it's unlisted, you can put it in Blackboard and students are able to access it through there. Anybody with the link could access it. If it's private, then only certain users can use it, and you would have to specify those. That would probably be a lot of work. So I'd say if you want it to be more private, go with unlisted. Once your information's in, you hit publish. And way at the bottom it says it's publishing it to YouTube. So let's say you don't have this video on an iPad, you made it on a digital camera and you put it onto your computer. So how do you put it on YouTube? You can go to, from your main page, you just go to upload. You select the file from your computer. So once you find your file, just double click on it and it will start uploading it. And you can fill in the same information with the title, description, tags. The processing can take a few minutes depending on how long the video is, but once they go, if you click on your name up there, you can click on my channel, and this is what the public sees when they're looking. So this is an earlier video that I put up there. The one from my desk finally got posted. The one I just posted isn't there yet because it's not done yet. You can also look at Video Manager, and that's where you can do things like delete them, or you can edit things on them. And then the analytics are there too, so you can look at how many views and other statistics with them. Now it's time to share the video with students. By clicking on the video, you can look down and underneath it, it will say share. And that will give you a couple of options. One is just the URL. So you could copy that. You can go to your Blackboard course and let's add a URL. Desk. Oh wait, that's the URL. And things that live outside Blackboard, I like to open those in a new window instead of inside Blackboard. You can hit submit and it puts it right there. If they click on it, it opens a new window and it takes you to your YouTube page. But that's a simple enough option, but you can do a little bit better too. Another option is embed. If we click on that, it will give us some code. You don't have to know what the code means. That's the cool thing about it. If you just copy that, you can select from different options as far as the size of it. So if you want a really big video, you can click one of these, but for the most part, I would just go with the standard because usually the standard is the one you want. You can, let's add an item. You can do this with a few options, but item's a really simple one. So we're going to say desk, and under this, if you just paste the text, that's all they're going to see. They're not going to see a cool video. So you can go to this where it says toggle HTML source mode. You click on that. Now you can paste. And you can submit. So now, instead of scrolling down just seeing the word desk, they actually see a video. And so this is what I would really recommend. If you want to make things pop out and grab students' attention, this is what you can do. And now it doesn't take them to another website, which is also a convenience for them, but it plays it right there. Now there's one more option that I'm going to show you for posting a YouTube video. There might even be more, but that's to go under build content, underneath mashups, YouTube video, and you can do a search. I'm going to search desk. Now the problem is desk is probably not going to give me some very good results, but we'll see if I can find mine. And yeah, it's not going to be on the front page because mine wasn't specific enough. If I needed to find it easily, I should put in better tags. And so yeah, there are 21,000 choices here. I don't think desk is really going to pop out. But if you have something tagged a little bit better, like my PVC instrument. Oh hey, look. So you can select this So here you can write a description if you need to. You can choose thumbnail. So let's look and see what a thumbnail is. So here is the title of it. It tells how long it is. This might even be maybe a little bit more useful for students because they want to know how long the video is before they click on it. So this is another option. But now they can watch that. Another cool thing on this, it pops up the video, which is pretty cool. Instead of it being just a standard flat on a page thing, it's going to jump out at them and they're able to be impressed by your technology skills, even though this was really easy for you. Alright then, in summary, we know how to make a YouTube account now, how to make an iPad video, how to post it, how to take your camera video from your computer and post it, and then 3 different ways to put these onto Blackboard. The other options would be just emailing your students a link. If you don't like working through Blackboard, it showed the link, so just take that, email it to them. If you have a chunk of email addresses from your course, just put it in there, and there are lots of different options to have that be available to them. But overall, the idea is just make it pop out at them, let them know that something's happening. And in the introduction video, another good idea is have them, after they've watched it, go to your YouTube channel and subscribe. If they've subscribed to your YouTube channel, every video you make will automatically get emailed to them. And that way, that's one more resource to let them know that something's happening. So lots of possibilities with this. I'm sure you can think of cool ways to use it in your course. If you can't, then come talk to me and I can help you out. So if you have any other questions, email me, jkern@emporia.edu. Alright, have fun YouTubing.